the number 9 interception of all time, Antonio Cromartie's one-handed masterpiece.
That was a great play. Great play. And at the time, you know, that's Peyton Manning. You know, that's when Peyton Manning was Peyton.
Peyton was Peyton, but in this 2007 game, Cromartie made Manning wish he was someone else, grabbing 2 picks before registering our number 9 interception.
For whatever reason, the Chargers always played Peyton Manning very well.
He threw 6 interceptions. Cromartie had 3. This one was pretty much the most unbelievable one.
Manning loops it down the sideline. It is going to be Antonio Cromartie. 3 picks, 1 game. What a player!
Obviously, the ball was underthrown because there was tremendous pressure by Sean Merriman right at Manning's feet, and he couldn't step into his throw. It was just an unbelievable interception.
Cromartie's athletic move is similar to another legendary catch.
That was the OBJ of the defense.
This guy's having a pretty good run, that Cromartie, isn't he?
The best way to compare Antonio Cromartie's catch to Odell Beckham's catch is to remember that Odell Beckham was the intended receiver.
Guys aren't supposed to go up and get the ball off the rim like that.
Just jumps up like an NBA player with one hand pulling down the rebound.
I mean, there's a reason why DBs are DBs, because they can't catch. And for him to go back and catch it like that makes me question whether he should have been a receiver or not.
While Cromartie's pick was outstanding, the circumstances surrounding the interception were ordinary.
I don't remember the game. That's on your top 10. It's got to be in the Super Bowl. It's got to be in a huge moment, and it's got to be career-defining.
It was aesthetically beautiful. And for a purist, just seeing that play, that was just one of those plays where you just say, wow.
That, to me, is still one of the best interceptions I ever saw.